Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday. Like I said, now my vlogs are not in order, and so I'm not sure what day this posts or whatever, but I think that the video that you'll see before this was of our date night, and you guys, it was so fun. So I hope you enjoyed that video and got to see just some very beautiful homes, just absolutely stunning. Anyway, today's kind of chill day. I slept in a little bit. We've already taken kids to basketball practice and just stuff like that, and I'm going to start cleaning my office. So you know, we've been remodeling and there's some secrets that I have because we have some spaces that have just become the catch-all for everything, the process of remodeling. I'm sure you guys understand. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And unfortunately, my office has been one of those just dumping grounds, and I need that room back because I'm in there a lot editing, because that's where my computer is, and that is where I usually wrap all my Christmas presents and stuff. So I need to go in there and just see what I can do to make it more functional. And I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Kind of a boring day, but I might go to Costco later. We'll see. I'm not sure. I need to get some groceries and stuff like that. Just real life mom stuff. So I hope that you guys are having a good, or had a good weekend. I also posted my home tour, so thanks for the love on that. I set up a folding, let me just show you really fast. I set up a folding table with my dining room chairs because I went to film the video and I was like, you know what? I have got to have something right there. It just feels so open and like almost an echoey sound. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I put up a folding table. I put my chairs in here and a rug that's definitely too small. However, that's going to be a problem because that's the only size of rug that fits there. If you can see, there's only about 6 inches here and about the same over here. And so we're gonna have to just make this size of rug work or go without a rug. But my chairs are older. They came from Restoration Hardware, but the little stops, if you can see, have fallen out over the years. We've had them for several years, but those will scratch the floor. So I'm like, I don't need new chairs because these are perfectly fine. So I've got to find a solution for that if I can't do the rug. But anyway, I had questions about this rug right here. It's beautiful. I'm actually contemplating getting the bigger size and putting it somewhere, maybe over this rug. I'm not sure yet, but it's from Target, and I can link it if you would like, or I will link it if you want to check it out. But let's go clean Signs of Children balloons that I have no idea where they came from. Anyway, let's go into the messy office. Okay, this is Zaylee's bedroom, or Daisy. Oh, sorry. This is Daisy's bedroom. She sleeps there. We are dog doors here because we use our back door too much right now to go in and out of. But eventually, I don't know if I've told you guys this, but eventually that outside porch area is going to become a mud room, and that's where the dog door will live. But we have to have one for now because she needs to go in and out. Anyway, so that's kind of ugly over there. Sorry. But this is the situation we're working with. It's not terrible. You can see the floor, but this is just where everything goes to die. So all of those charcuterie boards and stuff that I have done over the holidays, and people want to make comments about my weight and having all of this candy in here, it just comes here to die. We actually don't even eat it. After that video, I was telling my kids about it, or about that somebody had said that, and I was telling my husband, and they have come in and started eating the candy. But look, they're all still there. Anyway, I don't have to explain myself, but it was very rude because the lady who made the comment obviously has no idea because we don't eat it. A lot of that kind of stuff is for content. I create it for content. And so anyway, it doesn't matter. But we need to rehome the dog food and just clean up a little bit. This is signs of late night editing, Diet Coke. So let's see what we can do in this room today. But I am just putting the stuff in piles. So I have a home decor pile. I have like my Christmas pile and a planner stationery pile. This is our sports mom bag, and a ribbon pile. You guys, I have had these for several years. People have asked me where I put them in our new home. They're in here, but as you can see, they're just too big. They're actually sorry, I just had a text. They're actually too big for any space in our house. So I'm toying with the idea of selling them. I know, isn't that the saddest thing you've ever heard? But they're just not serving for me in this space, and I don't want to store them, and this is what happens to them. But anyway, we're gonna make them work for now. I haven't fully decided, but that is, my husband and I talked about it, and we're thinking maybe to do that and actually do like a built-in kind of something on this wall over here. This room is really tiny, and I don't know why they put a sliding glass door in here, because you couldn't put a bed in here. I mean, I guess you could, like a tiny toddler bed, but anyway, it's just not, so like the space is not serving well. I use the closet for storage, but I'd really like to be able to like use this functionally somehow. We've thought about a lot of things. We've thought about just tearing down this wall and then creating our bedroom to be bigger and then just moving the wall like for my son's room. It's just a lot, and if we were going to live here forever, we might like really consider it, but for now it's just like, I don't think the money that it would cost to do that is worth it to invest any more money into this house. That much money. Anyway, okay, so that's what I'm doing. If you're like wondering why I'm doing all the piles, that's what I'm doing. Like this is lighting stuff, so I don't really have a place for that. Another extra knob, just stuff. And then down here is where I keep just like my ribbon and things. I think I could find, the other one is pretty much empty. It just has like some computer stuff in it, but yeah, it's just a lot of stuff everywhere. I'm overwhelmed, but we're gonna make some progress. We're gonna do this because we have to do this, because I need somewhere to be able to edit like and have a clear mind, and I need somewhere to start wrapping Christmas presents, so I'm not doing it at the last minute. You saw me take a flower or a plant out of here, you guys. These little babies just keep giving. I'm surprised they're alive because I go months without watering them, and I don't know, they just keep on keeping on. And so I'm gonna go water her now. Okay, I'm at Sam's Club and I wanted to show you a few fun finds that I found. Look at how cute these are. Those are cute. And then I wanted to show you these. I liked those too. They're like little clear bins with the wood lid. I really like those. But as you just saw in my office, I don't need any more storage bins until I use what I have. But these would be cute for a little girl's bedroom. I also found a white Martha Stewart Dutch oven. It's a 7-quart one, which I think is bigger than the one I have. I need to double check, but I'm gonna double check that, and then if it is, I'm gonna get it. If it was only $39. All right, I just checked, and the one I have from Hearth and Hand at Target is a 5-quart, and it was $50, and this one is a 7-quart, and it is $40. So I do think I am going to get that for myself. Maybe I'll wrap it up and give it to myself for Christmas. Okay, I didn't get much at Sam's Club. Just a few things. I did get this. We got milk and bread and spinach artichoke dip and naan bread. What a haul. I had just gone there with my husband because he was getting stuff for work, and so I didn't really need anything except for bread and milk. So here we are. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so look at that, is much bigger. This one will be so much nicer. Like I said, this one always is just like a tad bit too small when I make soup and stuff. And so look at that. I'm so excited about that. Such a good deal too. So it's not bright white, but it's the same color as this. It's like a cream. And it has the gold top. And that is like a really good Christmas gift. So if you need a gift for your mom, your sister, your mother-in-law, or you need a good gift, put this on your list because that's a good one. Or this one too. I use this one all the time. This one's just a little bit smaller. So, and for the price, $40, cannot beat that. All right, here's the after. I want to show you the closet. So this is an organized chaos. This is all my bins. I cleaned it out so that I could fit in my printer. These two things can go in my garage once my garage is clean, but we use those a lot and I don't want them to get dirty, and so that's why I have stuck them in here. I might use these for like holding my Christmas wrapping paper and then just putting them right there. I thought that would be kind of fun just for now. These baskets I need to find a home for. Inside of them right now are tulips that I need to get planted outside before it gets any colder. But pretty much that's all. So I just added those two things off the floor in here. But everything else is clean. That is the cover for the dog door. And then let me show you I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I just haven't decided 100%. Washed the dog bed yesterday, so that is clean. This is the shelves. They're all cleaned off. I do need to go through this basket. I just don't want to do it today. And then in these baskets, I have all of my baking and gingerbread house stuff because I don't have anywhere in my kitchen to put that, and that's fine right there. And then over here, obviously everything's cleaned. My desk is cleaned, so I can function in here now. So a good Saturday, productive, and I'm excited that it's all clean. But yeah, that's it. I mean, it took me all day. So, and then I went to Sam's Club and just got home. So we're gonna do dinner and maybe hang out the rest of the night. Anyway, you guys, I will end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. See ya.